Ravi's father has a son Rohit, who has an aunt Lakshmi, who has a husband Rao, whose father-in-law is Mohan. What is the relationship, or what is the relation of Mohan to Ravi? Now, if you see, in the whole question here, they have used terms like who, which always refers to the preceding person, right? Who, whose, and things like that, right? Who, whose, which refers to the preceding one. So when we say who has an aunt Lakshmi, who's who here? Rohit, right? We are referring to Rohit. Who in this case is Lakshmi, right? Lakshmi has a husband Rao. And whose father-in-law is Mohan? Rao's father-in-law is Mohan, right? Whose here refers to Rao. So that's one important point, and I think that's the only point which you need to understand, right? Then it becomes simple. So basically there are multiple relationships given to us. Ravi's father has a son Rohit. Rohit has an aunt Lakshmi. Lakshmi's husband is Rao. Rao's father-in-law is Mohan. So draw the family tree for this and then connect Mohan to Ravi and establish the relationship between these two guys. Okay, so draw this. Ravi's father has a son Rohit. Ravi's father has a son Rohit. How do you put this up? Ravi's father. Now we don't know who that father is. I mean, name of the father, but yeah, Ravi's father. Now Ravi's father has a son Rohit. See, your father's son is your brother. Your father's son is your brother. Your father's son can be yourself also. Your father's son can be you yourself when you say you have got only one son. But in this case, the names are different. Ravi is one name, Rohit is the other name. So obviously, Ravi's father has a son Rohit would mean that Rohit is the brother of Ravi. So we can say Ravi's brother is Rohit, right? And then this also is a male guy. I mean, son, right? So has to be male. So Ravi's father has a son Rohit. So basically Ravi and Rohit are siblings. Who has an aunt Lakshmi? Now who here refers to whom? Rohit, as we have discussed. Rohit's aunt is Lakshmi. Now what do you mean by aunt? Your aunt is your parent's sister. That could be your father's sister or mother's sister. Both are possible. But you know, most commonly we go for the paternal side relationship unless it is explicitly mentioned, right? Unless it is used very clearly that it is paternal aunt or maternal aunt. If that is given, then you have to go accordingly. Otherwise, you know, generally we consider it to be paternal side relationship. So who has an aunt Lakshmi means Rohit's aunt, paternal aunt is Lakshmi. What do you mean by paternal aunt? Your father's sister. So basically Rohit's father's sister is Lakshmi, right? And female because it is aunt. Okay, so Rohit's father's sister is Lakshmi. Who has a husband Rao? Who has a husband Rao? Who here refers to Lakshmi? Lakshmi's husband. Remember that husband and wife relationship is shown using a double-headed arrow, right? So this is the double-headed arrow. And husband's name is what? Rao. Lakshmi's husband name is Rao, right? Who has a husband Rao? So husband's name is Rao. Whose father-in-law is Mohan? Whose father-in-law means what? Rao's father-in-law. Rao's father-in-law is Rao's wife's father, right? So Lakshmi's father is Mohan. Lakshmi's father is Mohan, right? And Mohan, of course, is a male guy because he has used the relation as father-in-law. So that's the family tree, right? Ravi and Rohit are siblings. Ravi's father and Lakshmi are siblings. Lakshmi's husband is Rao, and Rao's father-in-law is Mohan, which means Lakshmi's and these kids' father is Mohan. Yeah. How is the relationship? What is the relationship of Mohan to Ravi? Mohan to Ravi. See, Mohan to Ravi. Mohan is Ravi's grandfather. See, Ravi's father's father. Ravi's father's sister's father. So father's sister's father. Your father's sister's father is your father's father, and your father's father is grandfather. So what is the relationship of Mohan to Ravi? Grandfather. Option 2 has to be the answer, right? Mohan is the grandfather of Ravi. What will be the opposite relationship? What is the relationship of Ravi to Mohan? See, Ravi to Mohan cannot be determined. Mohan to Ravi, this again is important, right? Mohan to Ravi, Mohan's relationship with Ravi is grandfather. This is grandfather. But Ravi to Mohan cannot be determined. Relationship, suppose the question says what is the relationship of Ravi to Mohan? Answer, cannot be determined. Cannot be determined. Why is it so? Because Ravi's gender is not known to us. All we can tell is Ravi is the grandchild. Ravi is the grandchild. But is it the grandson or granddaughter? Cannot be determined. Okay, because gender is not known to us. So be careful about that. Okay.